Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Araya and Ella's show. Ella's not in this video because she's back. She's down the hall. Today I'm gonna be showing you our slime collection. We have a lot, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes. Sorry. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys our oldest to newest slimes. Let's begin. So, the first slime is our bubblegum slime because it's pink. And let me just pull it out. Oh, it's kind of broken. It's an old one, so it doesn't work. It's not that nice. It used to be really stretchy, but yeah. But I think I know a way to fix it. I just take water and that works. So I'm gonna put it in the container because I'm gonna add water to it. It's almost like dog food. It's so gross right now. Cause it melted, cause it's an old slime, it's not that old, it's 5 months old. Well, and so, and I added baking soda and more solution. So, yeah, I found that adding water to slime sometimes works. The next slime we made is our sparkle gum. This is our sparkle gum. And I'll take it out of its bag. Mia. Okay. This is our sparkle gum slime. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles in this. There's some blue, red, and silver. That's the reason actually it became pink. It was a white slime and I just added glitter to it. But I added a little too much red in there, so it's a pink slime, but pretty stretchy. I mean, look at that. Really stretchy. Oh yes, well. So yeah, that one is about a month old. Come on. Okay. So next slime is I call it our Elsa world. And the reason, hold on. Maybe I can get it out. Okay. The reason we call it our Elsa world is because we use clear glue in it, but then we put all these sparkles in it, and it reminds us of Elsa and stuff. So yeah, it's really stretchy actually. This is a clear slime. It's kind of got a grayish, bluish, silver color to it because of the blues and all those glitters. I love this slime. Okay, The next slime we have is, we call it icy, because it's just clear. This one's probably like one of my least favorites. The reason is, so actually at the craft store they were doing free slime making. So this is the one. So we made our slime there, this slime there, and they used borax. So it's like a jello, and it breaks easily. And like my others, the ones we've made at our house, they are blue, not blue, are made with shaving cream and contact solution. And so yeah, I like those ones a lot more than this one, but like this one's not that bad. This is one of my favorites though, because of how like clear it is and like the noises. So like look. So yeah, but this one's called Icy. This one actually I just made. My sister, she made her own there, but hers got dried because she didn't put the lid back on her container. She forgot that it was off and went to sleep. So hers was a clear green one, but yeah. And our last one, I actually just made it today. And this, she made one of her own, but I'm not gonna get it because I don't know where it is. But this last one I have, I'm calling it Winter. And the reason is because of the blue and silver sprinkles in it, and it's white slime, and so like it reminds me of winter. So yeah, I really like this slime. I love all my slimes. We used in all the slimes I've made, we've used this like raspberry shaving cream, and they smell just amazing. So yeah, comment down below which slime was your favorite. Was it winter, this blue sparkly, spring sparkle gum, this pink sparkly, icy, Elsa World, or I put it in the container, this is the bubble gum. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.